Hello dear students, in last lecture we have discussed about what is meant by rhizosphere, rhizospheric soil, composition of soil and different factors affecting the microbes which are present in the rhizospheric soil. So now as moving further we will discuss about the another part of your syllabus. It is nothing but a microbial interactions. So what kind of interactions are available or found in sort of or in the region where rhizosphere region we can discuss in this lecture. Normally we talk about the 1 gram of soil contain millions numbers of microorganisms and how they survive in that particular region. So we have to discuss in this unit or in lecture. Microorganisms in their environment are rarely found in a pure culture. So it is nothing but a statement. Normally you can say 1 gram of soil contain millions numbers of microorganisms and they are in the they could not found in a pure form. There is a mixing of multiple type of microorganisms in 1 gram of soil. To isolate them into pure form, we have to carry out a particular sample, and by using a specified media or following the proper protocol, we can isolate that particular organism into pure form. So the type of microorganism growing in the region are characteristics of the natural environment. So it is nothing but a statement stating that which type of microorganism will found or will find in that particular environment, it depend upon the which type of sample or from where we have to collect that sample. So if we have collected a particular sample from an agricultural soil, we can find some type of nitrogen fixer or phosphate solubilizing bacteria, or apart from that some types of actinomycetes or fungus we can isolate from the soil. If we have collected soil sample from the hospital area, we can found some type of pathogenic organisms from that soil. So depending upon from where we have collected that particular sample, the organism we can isolate from that particular sample. So it is nothing but the characteristics of that particular environment. Apart from that, if that soil, the composition of that soil also affect the presence of that particular microorganism in that environment. If the soil is completely having a complete nourishment or nutrient for the growth of microorganisms, number of microorganisms present in the environment may be vary depending upon the characteristics of that particular soil. Microbial ecology, it is the study of distribution and environmental relation of microorganisms with each other and other organisms. So already we have discussed in first year, that is what is meant by microbial ecology. So it is nothing but a study of distribution of microorganisms. It is nothing but a, already we have talked with respect to what type of sample and from where we are collecting that particular sample, distribution of microorganisms can be varied. Apart from that, we have to also discuss about their relationship with the environment, either with each other or other type of microorganisms. How they interact when present in that particular environment. So there are nothing but some different types of association will be found in the soil environment, including either they are beneficial, harmful or neutral type of association, and either they are beneficial or harmful. So we have to discuss with respect to that microbial association, and all this related study will be carried out in the field of microbial ecology. Again, this association can be helpful for survival of one or both of the partner. So when we are communicate with one another or we are living in a community, we can normally say, so each one has his own association with his neighboring or his type of individuals. So with respect to microorganisms, for their survival, they have their association with their neighboring or different types of microorganisms. Either it is within the species or other species or other type of organism. So what type of association are found in the soil, we will discuss. The relation between two same or different life form in the environment is known as microbial association or interaction. So it is nothing but a between the same species or from or with the other different types of microorganisms, and that we call as a association or interaction. So what type of association we have to discuss? in soil region or in soil, we can found these association may be of different types, including beneficial association, or in other words we can say it is nothing but a positive association. And what type of positive association we have to discuss? Symbiosis, or we can say in other word mutualism, synergism and commensalism. So these are different types of association normally found in the environment, and we will discuss in microbial ecology in the type of association that is nothing but a beneficial or positive type of association. Another association or other type of association or interaction is nothing but a harmful or negative type of association. And what type of association are that? Antagonism, competition and parasitism. So these are nothing but the another type of association normally found in the environment. They are harmful or negative type of association. And third is indifferent or neutral type of association. And what is the example of neutral association? It is nothing but a neutralism. So with respect to that, what type of association we found in the environment, there are different types of association we can study in microbial interactions. Firstly, we discuss about the positive type of association, or in other words we can say it is nothing but a symbiosis or mutualism. So mutualism, it is the form of symbiosis, and the term are often used as interchangeable. Normally we call it as symbiosis, symbiotic association or mutualistic association, and in other words they are in positive type of association. So here mutualism is an example of symbiotic relationship in which each organism benefit from the association. While talking about the interaction, we normally say positive, negative and neutral type of association. So here positive type of association, that means both of the individual which are having a association with one another, they get benefits from that association, and that association we discuss as a mutualistic association. It is a close ecological and biological association between two different species, in which both the interaction between that organism or partner are benefited from each other. So here in mutualistic or symbiotic association we discussed, these are nothing but the two different types of species we can find, and both the partner which are involved in that particular association get benefit from that association. So it may be defined as the living together of two or more species of organism for mutual benefit. It is nothing but a positive type of association, and both the partner which are involved in that association getting benefit from that association, and that's why by association with one another they getting their proper requirement with respect to either shelter or nutrition or other requirement for their metabolism are carried out or completed by means of that association. That's why we call that as a positive type of association. Positive or symbiotic association can be categorized into again two categories, either it is endosymbiosis and ectosymbiosis. So endo, it is nothing but a symbiosis in which one organism live inside the another organism, or we can say one organism which is present inside the body of another organism or another partner or another individual, and it is nothing but called as endosymbiosis. Endo means inside, and symbiosis is nothing but a mutualistic association. So both the that in that case one partner is present or live inside the body of other individual, so it is nothing but a endosymbiosis. Ectosymbiosis, it is again another type of symbiotic association. In this symbiosis, one organism living outside of the other. That means one organism and another partner of that association again reside outside the body, and that is nothing but a ectosymbiosis. And in that symbiosis type of association, we have to discuss three different types of association between micro symbiotic association. It is nothing but the association between microorganisms and microorganism type of association. Another is nothing but a microorganisms and plant symbiosis. That means the partner which are involved in that association are nothing but one partner is microorganism and another is nothing but a plant species. Third association is nothing but microorganisms and animal association. So or animal symbiosis. So here one partner is microorganism and another is animal. So in this regard, we have to discuss about the three different types of association, that is positive, negative and neutral type of association. All these different aspects we discuss in next lecture.